أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
All right. Okay, let's complete the rest of the surah now. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. Okay, here you have to be careful. First of all, sword is heavy. The tip of the tongue will be touching at the back side of the lower teeth. You have to make your lips a little bit rounder in order to produce the ah sound. Remember, every heavy letter has the ah sound in it. Then raw is also heavy, ta is also heavy. However, here the letter ta will be light. You have to be careful not to mix up the sounds of both of these letters. And qaf will be heavy. Rest of the letters are light here. So be careful while reading this verse. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم.
اهدنا الصراط المستقيم.
Not it is
أم
اهدنا الصراط المستقيم.
إه اهدنا اهد اهدنا الصراط المستقيم.
It is not nis, it is nas. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم.
اهدنا الصراط المستقيم.
Get well soon, little girl. We have to read a lot. Get well soon. And take care of your health, please. Because,
Okay.
yeah, in order to read the words properly, in order to learn properly, we have to be careful and take care of our health. صراط الذين.
صراط الذين.
Yeah, make sure you are not saying tal but tall because ta is heavy. صراط الذين.
صراط الذين.
Yeah, make sure that you are ready saying si, not si. It is sawed, not seen, and ta, not ta. You have to make sure you are reading the correct letters. صراط الذين
صراط الذين
أنعمت
أنعمت
عليهم
عليهم
غير المغضوب.
غير المكذوب.
Okay, before going to that, I will mention here again. Normally on lam alif, we don't stop. However, if lam have alif has a sign below it, just like this, or any other sign below lam alif, then we have the option of whether to stop or not. So we have the option of stopping at alayhim, no worries about that. Now, secondly, you have to read this word properly, read the ghain properly. غير المغضوب
غير المغضوب
عليهم.
عليهم.
Yeah, now we have to be extra careful in this word. Lam will be connected with Zod because of its Shadda. Then Zod will be stretched for 4 seconds because of the big mud. Then the sound of Zod at the end, not in the middle or the beginning, but at the end will merge with this Lam because of its Shadda. Then we will press the Lam for 1 second because of the Shadda. And then we will stretch the Li part for 1 second because of the Ya Madda rule. So this will be like this. ولا الضالين.
Um, your voice just got cut off. The whole entire section.
Okay, let me see. Oh, I have turned off my this input sensitivity. It is turned off. I'm not sure why does it cut off. We will try again, no worries. وَلَضَّالِّينَ. Did it cut off now?
Yeah, again.
It again cut off? No, but to me, my recording software is showing that my voice is being consistent. It is not cutting off. I am not sure whether it's the problem with your device or not. Anyway, all the audio is being recorded. By the way, let me tell you what I am doing. I am not cutting off the sound, continuously reading Lord for 1 second, and then Lord is being connected with Lam here. So, Walalleen. Try to read it that way.
Wallow. Walloween.
No, the al part. Do not ignore the pressing of lam here. Walalleen.
Walloween.
No. Al part. Lol. Can you hear the l? What I am doing? L.
Yes.
You have to say the l thing here. Press the lam also. We have to stretch the wad, then press the lam for 2 seconds, for 1 second because of the shadda. Waladhdallin.
Walloween.
No. You are not pressing it. Let me write it down if it makes it easy. Although it is not preferable to write Arabic in English, but it is only for educational purposes. Where is the. Come on, naughty boy. Yeah, here you are. It's W, then A, then this one will be Lam here. This one is this part. Then after that, again, I should say A. Okay, Lord will be maybe translated like that, Z and H, but it is not the correct spelling. Okay, now here we go. It will be like this. Then it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, indicating that Lord will be stretched for 4 seconds because of the big mud here. Okay, then I will add 2 lams, indicating that lam is going to be pressed for 1 second. I will add 2 lams here, and then it is lean at the end. This is what I am talking about. You are skipping the 2 lams, the 2 L's, or the pressing of lam. Wallallin.
Walloween.
That's better. Good job. Now you stretch the Lord less. You have to stretch it for 4 seconds. Otherwise, your reading was perfect. So it will be Again, we will try. وَلَضَّالِّينَ.
وَالضَّالِّينَ.
You are reading a bit faster. Slow it down, please. وَلَضَّالِّينَ.
وَالضَّالِّينَ.
Press the Lord a little bit more. Slow down.
وَالضَّالِّينَ.
وَلَضَّالِّينَ.
وَالضَّالِّينَ.
Ameen.
آمين.
All praise is for Allah, Lord of all the worlds, the most compassionate, most merciful, Master of the day of judgment. You alone we worship, and you alone we ask for help. Guide us along the straight path, the path of those you have blessed, not those you are displeased with or those who are astray. All right. So try to read from here now.
Oh, okay. الحمد الحمد لله رب العالمين
Good job.
الرحمن الرحيم
Good job.
مالك مالك يوم الدين
Brilliant.
إي- إيا- إياك
No, stretch it. Alif madda.
إياك
Yeah,
نعبد
yeah,
وإياك
yeah.
نستعين
You are a genius.
اهدنا الصراط المستقيم
Supergirl.
صراط الذين
One more time.
صراط الذين
Okay.
أن أنعمت
Hmm.
عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
Zod is to be pressed for 1 second because of the shadda here. Be careful. Try one more time.
ولا
No,
الضالين.
look. You have to press the Lord as if you are pressing a bell. You have to press the button here and wait there for a second and then leave it. وَلَضَّالِّينَ. You're reading correctly. The only thing is just slow down your speed.
ولا الضالين.
That's better. Good job. MashaAllah.
آمين.
Ameen. Yeah, you did it. Alhamdulillah. You learned a surah properly. And let me tell
آمين.
you one thing, even 80, 90-year-old Muslims, there are many Muslims around the world who do not know this surah properly, unfortunately. Yeah, what you were saying something. You were going to say something.
It was easier because I already knew it, but it didn't have the proper sound. Like I didn't stretch it that long, and
Yeah.
I didn't.
Yeah, that is why you are learning Tajweed. That is why you are learning Tajweed. So, inshallah, from now on, I hope that you will be reading it properly. Yeah, that
Like
is,
I
yeah,
I read it like غير المكتوب عليهم,
yeah, yeah,
and that was
yeah. That is why, you know, every every skill which you learn in this world, you have to have a proper teacher for that. Okay, so do not learn any skill without a proper teacher. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you to unlearn that thing and relearn that thing again. It is very easy to learn from a fresh mind rather to first of all forget the wrong learning and then relearning it correctly. That takes a lot of time, but alhamdulillah, both of you, Shamir and you, Amina, both of you are very smart, mashallah. So you are learning very, very fast. Let me remind you this thing, that Tajweed foundations, normally it takes for maybe a 6 or 7 year old for almost 2 to 3 months, but both of you completed it in 1 month only. And also, you have completed the Juz 30, the last Juz Amma, way too faster, Alhamdulillah, as compared to other students of your age. And mashallah, you are learning the salah, the prayers, or with a great, good amount of speed. Let me remind you, Alhamdulillah. Say Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah, whenever anything good happens to you, you have to say Alhamdulillah, which means thanks to Allah. We have to be thankful to Allah for the blessings He has given to us. All right, inshallah. Meet you in the next session. Will Shamir come now or not?
I can go check and